By violating the 6th schedule, hundreds of schools in villages are now closed because the TET teachers from the plain districts do not attend schools. In the name of giving quality education to children, education in Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong is destroyed. The Sodo Karbi Anglong Osomia Bhasik Sontha is welcome if they want to discuss with us about the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India. This act of cowardice of KAC, even the ND24 channel agreed that 1952 as cut-off year was not unconstitutional. KAC should have stood by the Constitution. The CEM and his colleagues had sworn when they took oath in office to uphold and abide by the Constitution. Now they have broken their oath. Even 1952 is not proper because the Assam Autonomous District Constitution of Autonomous Council Rules 1951 put cut-off year for domicile status as 12 years before the date of commencement, that is November 3, 1951. From November 3, 1951, we'll have to go back 12 years. They are fixed like that in the rule. So the cut-off year is 1938, but the council put 1952. That is also wrong. It should be 1938. And paragraph 20 of the 6th schedule gives 100% of everything to the tribes people. The KAC must exercise its constitutional rights and power. Candidates with qualifications and eligibility criteria may not be available among the tribes people of Karbi Anglong for the post of statistical investigator, family welfare. So KAC must recruit only on contractual basis for a certain number of years. Meanwhile, tribe students must be sent to proper institution to obtain required qualification for the post. We once again point out that the Assam SC and ST Reservation of Post and Vacancy Act 1978 and the rules thereof are not applicable in 6th schedule areas. These two rules are contradictory. The Sodo Karbi Anglong Zilla Osomia Bhasik Sontha should know that none of the political and social organizations of the tribes people are against the Osomias as such. The Osomias have miserably failed to prevent CAA, and now they are letting go Borak Valley out of Assam, both administratively, territorially, linguistically. Nitung kacuning ripen nang litung gewan apot nang litung hancuro parpiglo alam kehan athikla pohilo pinia press statement kipike ya advertisement number to erlo te dingo lasi a date abang lagay 8 August arni member secretary Central Selection Board Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and the subsequent cancellation under number KAC etc. dated 18/10/21 and also the fresh advertisement under KAC number etc. etc. dated 19/10/21. The statement issued through the press and ND24 TV channel by the Sodo Karbi Anglong Zilla Osomia Bhasik Sontha, which threatened the KAC because it fixed 1952 as the cut-off year for proving a candidate's domicile, have come to the notice of the All-Party Hill Leaders Conference. In this connection, the APHLC expresses shame on the extreme weakness of the elected leaders of KAC. The KAC could not make election law under paragraph 2 subparagraph 7 of the 6th schedule in spite of judgment of the Honorable Guwahati High Court. But the Kaac in haste cancel its advertisement simply on the press statement by the Sodo Karbi Anglong Zilla Osomia Bhasik Sontha, a little known organization. It appears as if the Kaac instigated the Sontha to oppose the advertisement. Advertisement dated October 8. Our TV channel has used repeatedly the term non-Karbis in order to ignite ill feelings in the minds of other tribes against Karbis. We condemn it. Areas governed by 6th schedule belong not only to a particular scheduled tribe, but these are tribal areas as per paragraph 20. 6th schedule was only for all hill tribes in northeast India. Now Bodos are included. The succeeding Osomia government have cunningly ensured victory of the most ignorant and unfit candidates in all elections in Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong since 1935. The Osomia government has prevented implementation of vital provisions of the 6th schedule, and it has prevented implementation of Article 244A of the Constitution. But without hesitation, Osomia government granted mini secretariat to Borak Valley. Secretariat is for a state, and a mini secretariat is for a mini state. We are not against Borak Valley getting a mini state. But why is the Osomia Sarkar so much against the hill districts getting an autonomous state when it is not the least opposed to granting a mini state to Borak Valley? The tribes people and youths have been deprived of government service and job cards. They have no money to educate their children. They are compelled to put their children as slaves in houses of non-tribal people in the plain districts, which led many to get lost or die or burned alive, like Sumila Rohanpi. Because of appointed 8 Arni, October 8 Arni Peklangla, Ladakh 1952 had cut of year pulo. La Aphan ke bang atunge application pil Longri. Labang me pick kali seta heno kali lo itum phanke Karbi Anglong phanke seta 6th schedule la tengke 1952 kali la ke hada puge commencement 12 years ningkan krehini la 6th schedule ke cheng arni 6th schedule la district Dakibi Karbi Anglong Mikir Hills district Kibi la pen ningkan krehini ha aphi damna la aprang aphilo ha athak damna la ha 1938 aphi ke wang atumke dake vote api longle sakori ta longle longle pata ta longle chat ta longle aku tribal kali atum thuke aprang na me aphi ta me longle pata ke longle lo hai hala dake tok la pohelo longle pata long seta la tum transfer longle anut kapre kaphan pi longle asopo handa pi longle to something do asopo doji seta asopo yong sidak do dedet lo tem anut kapre kaphan ke ka tribal kali kaphan ke pi longle to hala bang sulan ta ke tok do 1938 ajha tuma thaji 1938 ke pi lo 1938 pen ke 6th schedule avedet lang ke alang ke lason kali 6th schedule ki bi ke Karbi Anglong Aphan ben dadu Recu si lada kau itu Mandet ke kacari la pos si hal Aphan anta la ke Karbi Anglong lo kusi kahisap si kalakha si la bangsa 6th schedule ka sala acha anke la non advertisement pilo 1952 amat la Karbi Anglong Sodo Osomia Karbi Anglong Sonthapu Iltung cini ta cini ne dolo ne avel ne non si pinjong voi lo ne pilo ne anke latung pudok chorana press along lata kadu ya press pangali neli tu cini atenge karbia tu manhang he ala ND24 man si ha ND24 ko marlo ni lata iltung langan ko gi mata hai pulo ne ala tu man si hang chot anke ala tu manhang chot lo la pudok dok chorana amat karbia itu mas CMEM dengan Kaphere amat hala 1952 po notification bang che withdraw that you cancel that yeah matha dam tha hai itu paragraph 2 subparagraph 7 pen law silam ni election of han to high court when the order lo lam the council dum silam hai po anan se silam hai se ta la osomia son tha pu atum ta ason tha ta dolo ne avelo ne hala tum pudok anda alang litum Kaphere claim hul amat alang litum order ta chi withdraw de an ka Kaphere pithulo no no phi laga ka chi withdraw ke October 18 arni lagai jo la impartial modification bolata partial posipu partial modification to this order lapuan the advertisement call for recruitment of incumbent padilata recruitment to fill up pun kita incumbent kalilang lagi incumbent bukala non dobong already appointed la to masih incumbent pui to various posts under health family welfare cancel bangai fresh advertisement will be issued accordingly to 18 arni 8 arni epilo 18 arni cancel that hala popang nania sontha bengi popo alang litu matha tamemi hala so Ason thap da ve pin council dum na pin chong ma nang tum na oppose dum na pilang lang po ka che pit klang i pe di CM ke karbi do ban ching hon ki ngoli pu ka pi pu ya pan muthe yu la mang proi ken der ma pe di ka che pit klang ya pan pu na nak ka ba ya pit klang lo aman ni ka tiklo ni ke pa pi ko chicken cell to de ko man ne somia tu ngi pu po ne la ta ka do e to le pu ta ka di Ason tata dolo ne avelo ni angen non api ako pidon tu pidole lo 19 October ni pidon tu 18 ke cancel lo 19 ako pidu pit lo lada ka bangke hala 1952 api ke bang atung pilong li application pilong li pa bang pa we tu det lo ka bang jok ta pilong input tu ang kang ya angela da ke son alam do dei la electronic data processor lai hui apo sabang yode a scale ke dolo Ason ka pe doso kali dei karbi atum ke Ason qualification ka vedaji ala the working experience ave atum ke 5 years nangji 5 years ke claim bom atum nangji lapen aku qualification ta konanat lo ne hom MIS do nangji lapen ke aku PFMS Public Finance Management System la kachini bang ne GIS analysis nang lai hui ke lage karbi tu ne avide lage ba inglong rata avide ji karbi chot kali itu inglong rat le long ta chok mati di sida la anda avide ji andela kapilong le de na po sigi bichot landi la posini litum ga di mana bangke la so post jong se lai hui quality nang ji pulo tante la lai hui qualification nang ji pulo tante la ke contractual si bichot ni contractual ningkan ke thom ba pha di agreement ningkan ke thom ba pha ha la ke bang jok bang ling da chok lo nai ningkan ke thom ba la ningkan ke thom ang bong ba ningkan thom bong ilitum inglong arat so student dom phan toy ra ha da pachar li du nei lai hui qualification apo sa dak pidon de nei along ka prek ambai experience benda experience ke lag ave ve na pilo experience kam ge do munik ke charli te experience do training pidet hen lo ko pilo experience nanji pu lake abidong ke inglong arat tom han ka pelong le det ya panasi la so post apos ke claim la sini tingi pu ke la hela lake Contractual si pichot ni laga bangajat sita bang tamelo contractual kulo tante ningkan ni thom ningkan kopa ampen lap song bong si itu inglong arat as student dom pa Charlie jam nang pola tu ampan permanent kala tu man si inglong arat tu man pinang ko lapen las son tinta abinong advertisement na long ki punang $60 long 100% si itu ke long nang dia pojol lata council service abang namati lata council ar law service ke lage council tu maning hangal ling si claim ulo ke lage lapot labang ke di 100% lage pinangi lapen ke labang ke lage tribe schedule tribe atau man si application pilong chok nangi pusia binong ke tok nangi Aphan metala solam neli ninge pig 1987 pentala solam non atapre tumba puikat
Sodo karbiang long